In this video, I'll show you how you can block pop-ups on Google Chrome. What you want to do first is head up here and go to Site Settings. After that, scroll down and find pop-ups anywhere right here. Find it and press block. This will now block pop-ups and redirects. After you've done that, as this is only for google.com, you want to click on Privacy and Security, go to Settings, and this time we want to allow it for all websites when you're using Google. So you want to scroll down, go find pop-ups and redirects, and choose Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Now once you've enabled these two options, you will no longer get the pop-ups and redirects. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now when you have activated these two, the only thing you will get is a warning that you have to confirm if you want to go on pop-ups or anything. So this is much more secure. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.